Well, it's raining out, but we're going to get some pizza anyway out here in the rain. I missed taping anything yesterday. I was working on computer programs and issues all day. I'll make a makeup video in a little while just to fill it. Yeah, a little liquid sunshine. There's the railroad tracks. Anyway, we're cruising along. Not really much to film these days. Can't get rid of that cough. Not sure why. Well, pizza should be good anyway. Well, we got ourselves a German pizza. Leaving the Domino's pizza. It's actually some kind of bacon, and we got some extra cheese. My sister likes when we eat healthy like this. That's why we eat healthy. It's so yummy.